Then unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is nothing but we don't know labels, we don't know target class, but I would like to classify the data with help of similarity measure by using Euclidean distance. Square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So the distance between 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. We are finding the similarity measure between all the points by using Euclidean distance. So collection of items or group of items, that items having similar behavior, that is called clustering. We are using under unsupervised learning. So it involves, this model is using unlabeled data to find patterns or anomalies or attacks or criminal activities. We are using in this unsupervised learning. We are going to classify the clusters. It is used to detect unknown threats, malicious activities, cyber attacks, cyber criminal activities, unusual behavior in a system, outliers, by using unsupervised learning like k-means clustering, fuzzy c-means clustering. There are various unsupervised learning techniques are available. Then deep learning. Deep learning is nothing but learning from the observational data with a deep manner by including number of hidden layers, number of input layers, number of activation functions, various parameters, hyperparameters, hyper-tuning parameters we are using to increase the performance and accuracy of our model. So it is used to detect complex threats, to analyze large volumes of data, huge volumes of data quickly by using these deep learning techniques like CNN, RNN, and LSTM, etc. Then reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is one of the type in machine learning and deep learning approach. There are three approaches we are using: supervised learning approach, unsupervised learning approach, and reinforcement learning approach. Reinforcement learning approach, based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the problems. Example, games. Actually, games, if you play games, if you do mistake, it will restate from first state onwards. That means if you do mistake, it will give punishment. If you do good thing, it will give rewards. So especially in gaming applications, we are using reinforcement learning. So we are developing reinforcement learning models to make decisions based on the rewards or penalties. So by using this reinforcement learning, especially in even in robot applications, we are using reinforcement learning concept. So that can be used to build adaptive security systems that can detect and respond to new threats. Is there any new threats are presented? We are using reinforcement learning algorithms.